भगवान का दर्जा दिया जाता है। तो इसी परंपरा का निर्वहन करते हुए मैं अनुरोध करूंगा अनुभवा मैम से कि वे हमारे चीफ गेस्ट का स्वागत करें।
Mr. Dilip Awasthi sir, he is media consultant and music producer. He is the owner of Crazy TV Production, which is also known as audio video production house of the Central India. Under this production house, many documentary and music albums has been produced. He has produced more than 200 commercial music singles and TV ads for radio and television. Few famous singles are Volume Meri Jaan, Bike Hai, Push Ke Masale, All Is One Fertilizer, Madhuram Streets, Kothari Jewellers, IPS Academy, Indore Nagar Nigam, and the very famous Our School Saregam. He has worked in BTV as assistant professor and worked in Doordarshan Bhopal as a youth producer. Yeah, welcome you, sir.
Now I would like to request Nayan Saraf to kindly welcome Kamlesh Gupta sir.
Mr. Kamlesh Gupta sir, who is working as an associate professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. He has been a student of musicology. He underwent training in the North Indian style of Indian music, classic music, for 1 year in Indore under the guidance of Sri Hukum Chandji Panchde during the 1999-2000. Later on, during his stay at IIT Mumbai, he developed a final understanding of Indian classical music under Sangeetaalam project conducted by the renowned tabla and sitar player Pandit Nayan Ghosh at Drupad Sansar, IIT Mumbai during October 2009 to June 2010. And he also writes from the Indian music at times. So we welcome him.
Now I would like to request Aditi Jain to kindly welcome Prashant Gite sir.
Prashant Gite sir, one of the very famous professor of our college. He is associate professor of mechanical department. He is view music in tabla, and he has organized several programs. And this is the notice that this program has been dedicated to the final year students. Last year's we are leaving within 2.5 months. So this is all guys to you all. Hope you'll enjoy with us closely. And I'm so sorry I don't have any floral welcome or something else for you, but I heartily welcome you all. And I hope you understand. Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, geeks and freaks, let's begin our Acro Idol 2013.
Talking about the selection procedure of all the participants, they have been selected by totaling the marks of their Swaranjali auditions plus the main event of Swaranjali. Unfortunately, especially for all the girls, Rajat Mohite has withdrawn his name from this competition. So kindly girls, don't panic and don't be disappointed. Now I would like to invite all the participants. So starting off with Ravi Mishra, Mechanical 4th year. Next participant, Vaibhav Shinde, Civil 1st year. Participant number 3, Jay Mantri, Civil 4th year. Moving on to female contestants. First participant, Millie Singh, CS 3rd year. Next participant, Garima Parsai, EC 3rd year. Can we have a big round of applause for all the participants? Last but not the least participant, Pooja Barod, BCA 1st year. Now moving on to the rules of the competition. Every participant will get 3 minutes for their performance. A warning bell will be rang at 2.5 minutes. And जजेस का फैसला अंतिम और सर्वमान्य होगा. Talking about the rounds of the competition, there are total 5 rounds. In the first round, हमारा जो पहला राउंड है वो भारतीय संगीत की आत्मा है. That is the classical singing round. हमारा दूसरा राउंड हमारी भारतीय लोक संस्कृति को दर्शाएगा. That is the folk round. तीसरे राउंड में हम भगवान की आराधना करेंगे. That is the भजन राउंड. राउंड नंबर 4 मेल और फीमेल कंटेस्टेंट की जुगलबंदी दर्शाई जाएगी. That is the duet round. And the last but not the least round will be the judges' choice round. Our judges will give one song to our participants and they will have to sing that song. Thank you.